In this video, I want to show you how to do mini importation from China. So this is going to cover everything that you need to know about importing stuffs from China. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. So why do we need to import from China and what do we gain? The answer is very simple. You have a lot of options in China and the pricing is also very good. So if you want to import in China, there are a lot of websites you can use, but these three are usually the most popular. So the first one is alibaba.com. The second one is aliexpress.com. This is best if you want to import single items like the microphone I currently use, which is this one. I bought it off aliexpress.com. So the third one is 1680.com. This is also very popular, but this website is in China or in Chinese for the Chinese people. So as you can see, this website is in Chinese, which means it can be confusing for beginners. Of course, you can translate it using the Google Translate right here, and you get it to be in English. However, I do not really like to use this website a lot because I do not have the energy to keep translating and struggling to communicate. So my best website here would be alibaba.com, and Alibaba is king anyway, so why not? So once you come to this website, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see this giant search bar where you can search for anything. So you can find products, you can find manufacturers, and you can even find suppliers by region. So you can find suppliers from different parts of the world. So here you can find all the categories that we have on alibaba.com, and then you can find feature selections like top ranking products, new arrivals, the top deals, and all of that kind of good stuff. So I'm not going to make things complex. So I'm just going to do it the way I would do it if I was starting again. And just in case you do not know, I run an e-commerce business and I have an e-commerce training. In case you want to check it out, I'm going to put all the links in the description of this video. So here we can basically start searching for what we want to buy from China or from Alibaba. So we have two ways to search. We can basically search here, or we can just come to the image search, and then we can upload an image of the kind of product we want to search or want to buy. So the system is just going to scan it and give us what it thinks. So if you want to upload an image, you come here, you click on image search, and then you can come here, just click on upload file and just give it a file. So the AI they have there is going to scan it. So I'm just going to upload this headphone I have here to see if it's going to actually recognize that it's a headphone and give us options that we can explore and buy. So as you can see, this AI basically takes the image and is smart enough to just pick out the part that I want, which is the headphone. So as you can see, it crops it out and then it gives me things that these are basically headphones. So you can see it's a very good stuff. So you can use that to search if you do not know the name of the products that you want to basically buy. So that's the first way to search for something on alibaba.com. So the second option is obviously to come here and search for what you want to buy or just type it. So in this case, let's say we want to buy a neck massager or anything that you want to buy. So you can just come here and just type it. So I'm just using neck massager for the purpose of this video, and you have some things that you can this is the auto-populated option here. So neck massager with heat, neck massager and shoulder, neck massager pillow, neck massager for pain relief, neck massager device, neck massager machine. So we have different kind of neck massagers. So let me just assume that I do not know the one I want to buy, so I'm going to keep it broad. So you come here, you click on search, and it's going to give you a complete a lot of options around neck massagers in general. So as you can see, we already have options. But these first two, they are adverts. So once we ignore that, I want to come down and see what we have as the listings that will come up. So we have different neck massagers right here. So we have a lot of options that we can go through right here. So you can also come to the left here. Can also come to the left and you want to set the pricing that you want. So let's say the maximum price we want for this product should not exceed maybe $5. So you come here and then you just write 5, you click on OK, and it's going to refresh this page and give us neck massagers that are not more than $5 per piece. So if you come down again, you are going to see the neck massagers that it has given us that are not more than $5. So from here we can see neck massagers, but some of these things, they are not really neck massagers. So what we can do is come here and we want to make sure that we are selecting neck massagers. So you click on these categories and then we click on again neck massagers. Again, we are going to refresh the page and it's going to now give us proper result of what we want. So this one is a neck massager with heat. So now we have two filters here. So the category here is neck massager and the price should be less than $5. So you can even come here and sort by the relevance. You can say by volume of sales or by relevance. So if you want to do volume of sales, you are looking at product that have sold the most, all right, and or just by the relevance of what we have selected here. So you can set it to anyone you want. So sometimes to get the best product, you set it by the volume of sales, and again it's going to do another refresh and give us even more product. However, when we do volume of sales, you can see that we have different things right here. So these ones have sold 900, but the minimum pieces here would be 100 pieces. Again, it's going to refresh and we have different things right here. So 10 pieces, 400 pieces, and a whole lot of that. So we now have ideas of what we want to buy. So let's say we wanted to also say the minimum purchase. Let's say we want only companies that can sell us, let's say, a minimum of let's say 10 pieces. They can sell 10 pieces because right here you can see the minimum is 500 pieces. So this one is 10 pieces, this one is 100 pieces. So we want to bring it down to around 10 pieces so that we can be able to buy them if we wanted. So we have this one which is now 10 pieces. That's the least we can buy. We have this one 10 pieces, 10 pieces, 10 pieces, and like that. So you now have an option of, you now have an understanding of what we are talking about. So you just want to go through and scroll and find the particular one that interests you. So let's not just waste time, and we are going to pick one of them. So what we have done so far is product research. So we try to find a product that we want to buy and then we want to buy now. So how do you buy this product? You select the very one that you want. So you can basically add it to cart from here, or you can chat with them now. But I just want to show you how to see what this product is about. So you can basically just click on the product and we now go to the product page where we find everything that this product is about. We can even find similar products to this from different sellers, and then we can compare the prices and then negotiate. So if you come down, or if you come on top here, this is the product image. You can click it to see how it works and how people use it and all of those kind of stuff. So those images have been provided for you. So as you can see, this is how it's used to support the neck and stuff like this. You can see, you can even use this image to actually market your product. Now let's go and see the product description and what the product is about. So you can see other recommendation from other businesses around this kind of stuff. So you can see something similar. This one they sell for $1. So you can just go through them and see what you get. So here we have what the product is about and what it does. So you can read through all of this. All right, you can see their selling units, you can see the kg, the single gross. All right, and then you come down, you can see their retail performance. So they have number 2 in the best selling ranking. They've sold 307 units this month, and the average retail price is around $19. So that's how much people who buy from them actually go to sell. So as you can see, their chat already pops up and you can chat with them directly, but we don't want to do that now. If you come down, you see the store review, and this lets you know that people have transacted with this store before, and you can go through the charts here. So this chart or this review is from Germany, and it says fast communication and the shipping goods have good quality, blah blah blah. This one is from America. This one is from I don't know where that is. All right. However, I am not promoting this shop or this store, anything like that. I'm just showing you how to find trusted sellers and or products. So at the right here, we have the product pricing. So remember, we set it to a minimum of 10 items. And if we are buying from 10 to 100, we can buy them at $4. If we are buying more than 100, we buy them at $3.90, and if we are buying more than 500, we buy them at $3.60. You can basically start your order, or you can chat with them and negotiate even further. So let me show you how to ship it, and then I'll show you how to make the payment, and then I will equally show you how to negotiate with them, the best way to negotiate with them. I will equally attach a script on how you can negotiate with them on Alibaba.com. So here, this is how we actually place our orders. So for you to place your order, you need to do two things. Number one, you need to set an address, and number two, you need to complete a payment. So there are actually two ways you can pay on this website. You can pay directly on the website, or you can use an agent to pay these guys directly. So depending on the one that is convenient for you, you can do. So now let's say we wanted to add this, want to make this purchase. You can come here, click start order, and then we can select the quantity of the item that we want. So because we set it to a minimum of 10 pieces, we cannot buy less than 10 pieces. So we can increase it to say maybe 15 or thereabout, any quantity that you want, and you'll be good to go. However, you can see that the shipping fee is a bit too expensive. So you can change this by clicking on change, and then you can select the different shipping method on Alibaba. This is going to depend on your country. So if you click here, you see 15 more shipping this thing, but they are all very expensive. So we need to use our own shipping company that will be lesser for us. So how do we do this? I have a list of shipping companies in Nigeria that would help you ship this for way cheaper than this. And the way to do this is, first you need to contact the shipping agents. Again, I have a list of these guys. I'll put it in the description of the video, so you can download this list if you want. So you need to first go and change your address. All right, so what I can do is I'm going to click on start order, and then I need to go and change my address. So you need to change your address to an address in China. So as you can see, this address is in Nigeria, and to change your address, you can just come here, click on change, and this is where you add a new address. So you click on add a new address, and then you want to come here, you want to select China, and this is where you put the address that your agent has given to you. So you want to put their name, put their phone number, their street address, and all of that, and then you submit it, and the entire thing is going to change. So the moment it changes, you now have the option to pay. You can proceed to pay. So you can directly just pay by using your card. So you can just add a new card and pay right here, or you can just say proceed to pay by using other payment method. So you can just click on proceed to pay, and your order will be created. So for me now, I'm not going to complete this order. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you can use a debit card, you can use PayPal, you can use Google Pay, you can use Apple Pay, you can use even wire transfer, but do not use this. All right, so you can just stick to a real-time transfer, Apple Pay, and all of that. So this is basically how you pay. So we found the product, we'll change our address, and the address is basically how you ship it. The shipping agents, they'll be the one to package it and ship it to Nigeria to you, and then you pay them for the shipping fee. Now, the other alternative is you can just copy this link. All right, you can just copy the product link, and then you can give it to your agent. All right, and then your agent is going to do the payment for you. Alternatively, after they've created this order for you, you can just get the payment code. All right, there's something called the payment code, and then you can give it to your agent, and then they will just effect the payment, and then it will be sent to their address. The entire process is actually very straightforward. So the way to actually chat with them is you can come here and chat with them, which is all good, but a lot of persons are chatting with them here, which just takes time. So the best approach is you come here, you click on this company profile, and it's going to take you to the company profile. And this is where you see all the products that this company sells and all their information. So as you can see, they have different things that they sell. So this is an opportunity for you to establish a long-term relationship with this company. Again, this is not an endorsement for this company. I've never transacted with this company before. This video is purely for educational purposes, but you can see what they do. All right, and at the top here, you can come here, click on the products, and you can see all the products that they sell. All right, however, we want to get their contact, and to get their contact, you just come here where we have contact, click on contact, and this is where you find all their contacts, and you can just reach out to them on WeChat or WhatsApp. They actually reply faster on these platforms. As you can see, this is supposed to be the company, maybe marketing manager or something like that. So you want to click on details here, and then you can click on send information. So if you do not create an account, this is not going to work. So in case it doesn't work, you need to create an account. So because as you are requesting this, they are also sending your contacts to this business. So it's better for you to use an email that you don't want to receive a lot of spam or marketing messages too, because they are going to send you a lot of marketing messages. So here, this is their phone number. You can contact them. Again, this is not an endorsement. So if you want to contact or transact with these people, you can basically get their number from here if you wanted, or you can just go and do your own research and find the right supplier for you. This is their location here. All right, this is the location where they are in China. You can also send your agent to go and verify this address if you want to transact with them for a very, very long time. So once you contact them, a lot of the times they are on WhatsApp, they are on WeChat. On WhatsApp, on WeChat, you are going to then negotiate. So this is personalized negotiation. I'll put the script on how you can negotiate and get the better deal in the description of the video. So this is basically how you can import things from China to Nigeria or Ghana or wherever you're watching this video from. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like the video, subscribe if this video helps you, and my name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.